Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Amaka Nwabuko. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and click on the notification bell for more videos. So this hairstyle is on a half up, half down hairstyle I made for my daughter. So over here, have applied leave-in conditioner. I also sprayed the hair with water, and I also applied hair cream, but still it's as if have not done anything because of the type of hair texture she has. Her type of hair texture is the type that even if you comb her hair, it will be as if you've not done anything at all. That's why sometimes when I'm combing it, I have to do all these things so she don't cry when I'm combing her hair. So I'm going ahead to part her hair in section. I'm also going to use rubber band to put the hair in place, though the hair is not a rubber band method, but I'm using rubber band to put the hair in place, or rather to part it in sections so that it will be very easy to weave. So guys, the hair extension I used is Nature's Touch. I also use Shine and Jam gel to make her scalp look neat. I had to cut the hair extension in halves so that the hair won't be long and it will be easy for her to carry. There's one thing I believe about this making of hair thing. You don't have to be perfect to make your hair or to make your child's hair, because the more you're making your hair or your child's hair, you get to learn, and your hand gets to be perfect or strong at doing it. uh Maybe occasionally you can go to the salon to make something more beautiful and more professional, but if you're less busy, you can make your hair by yourself or your child's hair. That's my own opinion.
Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling 'cause we